Okay, so for lesson 5, activity 2 is another prediction. And it says in which corner of the screen will the circle be drawn. So we know that the x position, at least from our previous activity, so 300 x position is 300, and then what's the y? 100. So this should probably be 300, 100. That's what's being placed in here, because this is in the x position and there's x position right there, and then the y position is this what's the y placed in here. So this really should be 300, 100. If we show the grid, so 200, 200's right here. If I move the y up to 100 and then I go up here to 300, this looks about right, that we should be in the upper right hand corner. So the ellipse be in the upper right hand corner. And if we run this, look at that, predicted that correctly. Hopefully that helps you with your coding and explains this a little bit better for you what variables are.